back at 2020 CES, and we're checking out the other side of the booth again. It's super dope. We were talking about the demoing, all this stuff right here, but now we're going to talk about their products and their new products. Now we have the Rock Chip PX6 right here. Now, this is a universal head unit that is also, you can either choose single DIN or double DIN depending on your application. This one, for this sake, is a single DIN, but you can choose double DIN too. And you can check out the UI. It has Android 9, 64 gigs, 4 gigs, 1024, 600. You know, it has pretty much the top specs right now at this time of the video. And you can have CarPlay and Android Auto. There's support for that if you want to add that option. Now, what I feel like is going to be the most popular unit this 2020 is going to be this one right here. This is their newer 1 DIN or double DIN widescreen format. This is a 10.25, and check this out, guys. It has RGB on the bottom, so it's gonna give it that nice glow. It's awesome. And all these have a rotating ball joint, so you can rotate it like this, or rotate it the other way, which is very cool. And then also, again, it does come in double DIN or single DIN format, so that is awesome. Let me just snake it back in here without breaking it. Then, of course, we have the custom ones. This one's one for the Toyota 4Runner. I believe this is the first time this is like a early model, but this is like decided is the only one that makes it for this year. So if you have a 2010 to 2020, that's a decade's worth of head units. You'll be in luck because Decided makes their own mold for this. It's super nice. And look at the way it curves around the screen. It's super custom. You gotta appreciate that. Now, it has, again, the same features as the other ones. This one has either you need to choose a 1280 by 720 screen, or you can choose a 1920 by 720 screen. So it's a nice resolution. And then we have this is a universal, so if you have for the RAV4, I mean, it's not really universal, it's made for the RAV4. So if you have a RAV4, you got that covered. And of course, what really popped off on my channel right here is the bread and butter of my channel right here. It's the Subaru WRX STI. It also works with the Outback and so forth. But if you're gonna be good right here, this just brings back so much good memories. Here's the UI. I mean, it fits your OEM vents perfectly fine. So you pop out your original OEM vents. You also have the hazard button and then the midfield display. You can adjust that too. You can have it all fit custom. So that's cool. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff on the product page. So I'm gonna put a link down below on where you can find more products. If I didn't show off your car, looking at their brochure, you can see they have like the let me see. You have all these models right here. I know a lot of people like these ones right here, the vertical screens. That's the horizontal, that's a Subaru, the Tesla screens. So if you have like a truck or a 4Runner, not a 4Runner, but a Land Cruiser, you have that. And there's just a bunch of models. So ranging from Mitsubishi to Nissan to Toyota, VW, Sakota, I don't even know that brand, Kia, Hyundai, Honda, Lifan, Cherry, Suzuki, Hover, Subaru. Look at that, they have it for the new Legacy too, so that's really nice. Mazda, Chevrolet. And they have like the newer years too, so like they have like 2019 models of perfectly fitting bezels. You get your Ford right here. It's just awesome. Yeah, 2017 Taurus, Focus 2019, so even like the brand new Focus, it got that too. So there's a lot to choose from out, and that's not like you can even see things from Audi and BMW too. So this is for Audi, the Benz, all these numbers, S-Class, C-Class, BMW E90 series, You get the E50s, E46. I actually did the E46. It's actually really nice. Jeep is a really popular brand, and of course this is where everyone wants it. This is the double DINs where it fits with every car. So if you have a BRZ or a Corolla or something like that, you have that universal setup. And today we already showed early in my past videos. If you guys were looking at more the accessory side, I have a video that you can click up here on the top right that shows off the DVR, the rear camera, TPMS. It didn't show up the 2D tuner, but I do have videos on that too. And you get the mode and stuff like that. I use this. Autoplay is really nice if you want Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as an external device. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Here was a little tutorials of each model they have out coming out this year. But they're gonna be swinging hard, and of course, again, new stuff like the high definition rear camera, and of course Android 10 is out and it's sick. So they're gonna have that in the future, the coming years too. So. Not coming years, they're gonna have that by midsummer. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.